Academy Presents, where we highlight the special people, projects, and events at Scholars Academy right here in Rockaway Park, Queens. My name is Anika, and today our special guest is Samantha, who's going to talk to us about her favorite Christmas present. So Samantha, what was the special gift you received for Christmas?
Well, I received many great things, like my first phone and a brand new iPod, but the best thing that I received was One Direction tickets.
Why do you like the band One Direction so much?
I'm not really sure. There's just something about them that I really like. Maybe it's because they have British and Irish band members, and I am also British and Irish. It's maybe that, but there's something about them that's all jumpy and fun.
Is there one person in One Direction that you like the most, and why?
If I had to pick, it definitely would be Niall. He's the blonde one, and he is very different from everybody else. He's the only one in the band that has blonde hair, and he has braces, and he's the only one that's Irish.
So what made this gift so special?
My family was affected by the hurricane, and we were going through a lot, and it's just great to have something to look forward to, and it's right after school ends, so it's a perfect beginning of the summer and end of school present.
How did you react when you got this gift?
I hate to say it, but I cried, like happy tears. It was in a really, really big box, and then I opened the box, and there's just an envelope in there, so I opened it, and I was kind of just staring at the paper, and I didn't really see anything. And then, when I read the words that said, One Direction 2013 tour, I started screaming really, really loud, and my parents were like, what? And I'm like, I got One Direction tickets, and I was just sitting there crying, and my brother is kind of sitting there, and he's like, oh, I got my favorite game, and no one really cares I got it. It's the #1 thing on my list. So it was a great day.
That's all for today. Please join us next time on Scholars Academy Presents. Goodbye for now.